Every bottle begins with water, clean, controlled, and precisely sourced. Before anything else, purity is engineered at an industrial scale. Advanced membranes strip water down to its purest state. Every liter is verified before it moves on. Sweetness arrives in bulk, measured by the ton. Automated systems handle ingredients without human contact. Solid crystals transform into controlled liquid syrup. Each component waits under strict access control. Even the bubbles are engineered. Here, precision replaces guesswork. Every ratio is digitally locked. Consistency is built, batch after batch.
Nothing moves forward without approval.
Separate streams meet at the edge of transformation. Temperature control defines texture and taste. This is where the drink comes alive.
The product is ready for its final form.
Now, production accelerates. Movement inside the plant is fully orchestrated. Human error is replaced with programmed precision. Every arrival is logged, scanned, and traced. Traceability starts before production begins. No open handling, no contamination. Even solids travel through sealed pathways. Gas delivery demands absolute control. Software sees every movement in real time. Transport never interrupts production flow. Speed is matched with consistency. Buffers keep the system breathing.
Not everything is automated, but everything is controlled.
Containers arrive before the drink meets them. Timing is everything. Nothing arrives too early or too late.
Safety travels with every load.
All paths lead to one destination. Transport gives way to transformation. Scale defines modern beverage production.
Every meter outside is part of the system.
Control begins before the door opens.
Human presence is structured and standardized.
Clean environments protect every bottle. Transparency is built into the layout.
Flow is guided visually and physically.
Infrastructure is the unseen workforce.
This is where speed meets precision.
The heart of production comes into view. Every second counts on this line. Human oversight never leaves the process. Design dictates efficiency. Clean containers are non-negotiable. Purity is enforced at every step.
Now, the drink meets the bottle.
Automation replaces pause. Accuracy is measured instantly. Even closures follow a strict path, sealed for consistency. Before branding, every bottle is examined. Machines see what eyes cannot. Imperfection is removed instantly. Uniformity keeps speed stable. Dry surfaces ensure clean adhesion. Even static is controlled.
Identity waits in reserve.
Attachment is engineered, not guessed. Branding happens at full speed.
Presentation is measured to the millimeter.
Every bottle carries its history. Traceability is non-negotiable. Only compliant bottles proceed. Order sustains momentum. Human judgment confirms automation. Streams combine without collision. Final cleanliness is assured. Now, scale takes over. Speed is carefully unleashed.
Every section moves as one.
Buffers protect the rhythm. Flow is divided without disruption. Automation takes physical form.
Order is created at high speed.
Machines handle with perfect repeatability.
Packaging forms itself.
Verification never slows the line.
Closure is permanent and precise. Strength is engineered, not assumed. Logistics data becomes physical. Every case can be traced. Only complete units move forward. Scale becomes visible.
Geometry defines stability. Geometry defines stability.
Protection begins immediately. Now, technology takes full control. From this point, machines lead the journey. Direction changes without human touch. Automation compresses distance and time. Space is used vertically, not wasted.
Outputs converge into a single flow.
Gas confirms completeness. Stability is measured, not assumed.
Ithrik endurapoklidiastarkkolmern. Exceptions never interrupt the line.
Even forklifts operate autonomously. Finished goods cross into storage. Storage becomes a machine itself. Precision replaces manpower. Every position is predefined. Accuracy preserves efficiency. Digital records mirror physical reality. Conditions are held constant. Safety systems stand ready. Now, intelligence takes over.
This is where the factory thinks.
Every second is measured. Failures are predicted before they happen. Thousands of signals feed one system. Vision replaces inspection. Synchronization prevents chaos. Logic inside these panels. Data moves faster than product.
Production is mirrored digitally.
Even data is protected. Consistency is software enforced. Control travels at the speed of light. Efficiency extends beyond product.
Utilities are monitored relentlessly.
Waste is engineered out. Response is immediate and automatic. Stability allows refinement. Now, precision takes center stage. The final details define readiness.
Alignment protects integrity.
Damage is identified instantly. Seals must endure transport. Weight confirms completeness.
Transport stresses are anticipated.
Identity is verified again. Orientation ensures safe handling. Wrap tension protects the load.
Reinforcement is precise.
Each pallet becomes a unit.
Traceability extends beyond the plant.
Finished goods gather.
Readiness is organized. Authorization is digital. Final checks still await. Verification comes last.
Nothing leaves unchecked.
Quality is confirmed, not assumed.
Every batch faces inspection.
Human eyes still matter. Seals are measured, not guessed.
Volume defines compliance.
The bite of carbonation is controlled.
Sweetness follows strict limits. Appearance reflects consistency.
Time itself becomes a test.
Flavor remains the final authority. Consistency must be tasted.
Approval is earned.
Standards are absolute.
Final movement prepares the product for delivery.
Driverless forklifts bridge production and storage. Order ensures efficiency at dispatch. Every vehicle is timed perfectly. Precision continues to the last meter.
Every load is verified before departure.
Scale meets coordination in motion.
Product leaves under controlled conditions.
The scale of production is fully revealed.
Every bottle, every case, accounted for. Storage is as precise as production.
Dispatch is executed seamlessly.
And this is how modern factories produce Coca-Cola from start to finish.
Innovation, precision, and scale define production.